I have to have these pictures.
This is a video.
There we go. Like it was in the old days!
Oh, I should probably not stand here, I'll bet.
Let me remind you, not only is it wet, it is cold as fuck.
I want you in on this. Yeah!
James, get a little shot of my breath real quick.
You what?
Get a little shot of my breath, just get the coldness factor. It's cold.
Where's that beer at? I need beer! Scott! I need beer!
Cut that tree down and get you a beer.
Promise? James, watch out.
I promise.
Come that way. Come the wrong direction.
Goodness.
You're supposed to tell on this side. I cut down main trees, man, with the chainsaw.
Jesus Christ.
Here we go. What?
Watch out, James, the other way.
Wrong way. Dude, that thing is not even coming down right now.
Now, get... Oh, no, damn it, I hope you hold it.
You're an asshole.
Damn it! This guy is fucked up. You're not letting me kick your toy. Shit, man. Oh, Trump!
You gotta get it wobbling, there you go.
Wobble, wobble.
Oh my goodness.
Wobble, 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 wobble.
Mike!
Fuck, it will not go.
We need your help getting this tree off.
Quit
We
doing that,
need
man.
your help. It will only take 3 minutes.
Out, man. Hey! Climb up there, Colorado that much. Yeah. I think I should go. Yeah.
I think you should too.
That saw works pretty good though, huh?
Here, my intake on ain't no much. Not much. Riders, was that going away? Yeah. Get on it! Yeah, that's a good bite there.
Hey Jake! How long does it take a Mexican to chop down a tree?
Huh?
How long does it take a Mexican to chop down a tree?
Longer than a white guy?
Yeah.
Two white guys, man.
I don't know, I'll tell you in a couple minutes.
An hour.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Just to get a rhythm, you always mess me up. Okay, give me a rhythm. Scott, where couldn't you that beer? I'm sobering up.
I got you a beer. I had to be a special for you, Leon.
This one down here, I'm going to be on YouTube. Cameras will get me on YouTube, I know it.
Nah, you're not that entertaining.
Are you taking video right now?
That's me! I like one like this is going to go break somehow. Oh, we're getting movement out of it now, look. Scott, come here, you pussy.
I'm not in the shape to fucking trump over there right now.
I don't want to hear that shit. Come here, bitch.
I have one working leg,
Your
dude.
dog will come out here.
I'm sorry, dude.
Have you noticed that they're moving the roots in the ground more than they're moving where they fucking cut it at?
Hold on. Leon! I'll cheerlead for you. Check this out. Go! Leon!
Give me a beer, motherfucker.
Alright.
Get out of here with that shit. Hey, Leon, you grabbed one of our beers. What'd you do with it?
Motherfucker out there.
I know you didn't drink that shit already.
I set it down there. Leon drank his right there in the mud.
Oh.
Cut the other end, I'm telling you. You have to free the other side. This side is fucking good. If I keep going like this, it's a little wrong. I'll see that too. I heard a break. Kind of wet. I heard a crack. Kind of wet. Is it a wedge? Is it a rock?
Gamers!
It's cracking. Feeling my ass, that vodka.